What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're back on the Project Saab 9.3. Today we're going to be fixing the door. The door is opening only from the inside. It's a common failure on these Saabs. And it's not opening from the outside. So we're going to take this inside door panel off, figure out what's going on inside, and fix what can be fixed, and replace what needs to be replaced, if that may be the case. But in the meantime, it's pretty annoying to drive this car when it's like this, so we're going to dissect it. Stay tuned. Guys, so as you can see, I've been in here before, because this is the sound deadening panel here that's re-gluable like once or twice, but after that kind of needs to get some assistance. So as you can see, I have some tape around it, but again, I'm just going to gently remove it because there still is some glue on it, and also I want to try not to rip it. Finagle this and see what's going on, because as you can see, as I pull the outside door handle, nothing's intact inside, so I need to figure out what's going on. Alright guys, so now that the glass is disconnected, I pulled the clip from the back here on this roller, and then here there's two T30s on this bracket here that should allow me now to pull the window out. So we are free. I'm going to go ahead now and just pull this out. As you see, guys, I'm stuck. On the top of the door there, you'll see there's two trim pieces. Pull those off with a little bit of force, which is what's blocking the brackets on the window from sliding through. So once you remove those, the whole window will slide right out. Alright, so update is I got the glass out now. This piece, as you can see, fell off the door handle from the outside. And so now my next step is to remove the door handle from the inside here. Alright guys, it's the next day. As you can see, the JB weld held up really nicely. This is solid as a rock. Probably a little tougher than it was factory OEM, so I'm just going to go ahead now and put it back into the car. It's going to be very tight and hard for you guys to see me film this, but if I can just gently show you from here how this works so you can do it from home, that might help. There's the locking mechanism, and okay, so this here is what attaches. This is where the part from the handle goes down and pushes when you pull up on the handle. Okay, so that part is what forces this one to break. So that's from age there. That's that. This here, okay, is the locking mechanism for the key. Okay, that attaches to this guy right here. Alright, that attaches here, and that goes to the key mech. Now if you pay attention closely to how that secures in there, that little plastic piece here clips onto the rod to hold it into place so it doesn't fall out. The rest you don't really need to touch. So now it's gonna be hard for you to see. I'm just gonna pretty much assemble this back into place. Okay, I'm gonna put the key mech back into place and the mechanism here, and then reassemble the whole door. So stay tuned as I put this mess back together, and you'll see that some of the glue for this is old, since this car is 16 years old, and I have some black duct tape to hold everything back into place. Alright, so the handle on the outside is secured. Everything is in place except for this guy, which I'll do after I'm done securing this bolt to finalize. But as you can see, our mechanisms are working properly. I'm just going to go ahead and skip forward to putting everything together. as you can see, it's very hard to film inside that door, and my camera died there at the end to show you the test results. But at the end of the day, I ended up replacing not only the handle, which was broken, but also the door lock actuator. It's a common failure on these old Saabs. What's happening is it's getting tougher to actuate the door lock mech, so it caused the handle to fail. So of course I just replaced that, and it should fix everything for another 150,000 miles and 16 years of bliss. So anyways, I hope I helped you guys out with this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I appreciate all your support in the Saab world, in the Saab community out there. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as more projects will come on this vehicle as well as other cars in my fleet. And I will see you guys next time.